How to fix Twitter or X application not loading image. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll troubleshoot image loading issues on Twitter, which is now known as X. So let's begin. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You can go to your device Wi-Fi settings and verify your Wi-Fi is working correctly. Also make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong, reliable, and fast. If you encounter Wi-Fi problems, you can switch to your mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If not, you can go ahead and turn on the flight mode for 2 to 3 seconds and turn it back off. If that does not work, you can go ahead and open a browser on your Chrome. Simply go ahead and search for Down Detector. Search for Twitter or the X application, and the server status page will indicate if users are reporting the issues. If it says no current problems at Twitter, the server is likely fine. But if there is a server outage, you will need to wait for Twitter to resolve it automatically. After checking the server, return to the Twitter to see if the problem persists. If images are still not loading, you can go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner. Go to Settings and Support and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from this page, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and then tap on Data Usage. Make sure that the data saver is toggled off, and if it's on, simply tap on it to disable it, and then return to the Twitter and check if the issue is resolved. And if the problem continues, you can go ahead and simply tap and hold on to the Twitter application, then tap on the eye icon to go to App Info. But if you're using iPhone, go ahead and open your iPhone storage. Simply search for Twitter and upload the app and reinstall it again. But on Android, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if you're still experiencing issues, try logging out of your Twitter account and then log back in. And if that does not work, uninstall the Twitter application completely from your device and reinstall it and log in. This should definitely help you resolve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.